Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades. I'm doing the Sunday Stock Talk one day late, but that's okay. So start off with SPY. We're coming up to this resistance at 280, and it looks like we're starting to turn back away from this price range. The volume is dying out as we're approaching the 280 level, which means buyers are not there to buy it up past that next resistance level. So in my opinion, if we break below 278 or 279, somewhere here, then we can expect it to return back down to 273-ish, because that's where our trend line is going up at. But again, if we break the resistance, then we are good all the way up to 280, 86, 87, which is the next resistance level. Now, looking on Tesla, it looks like we are forming, this is a potential setup here for continuation downward to the 280 level, or we can, that's weird, or we can bounce around here, since this is a support level, and then continue back up to the 330, 340 level. We'll just watch from there. Again, if it crosses up to 300, we can see it going to 340. If it crosses below, I don't know, 305, then we can see it going back down to 280. Netflix, we're bouncing around in this range here, but right now we're about in the middle of the range. I would wait for it to drop down to 389 before buying calls, or wait for it to be around watch for it to go up to 422 and then back down until that's weird. Facebook, it looks like we're just making all-time highs, but it looks like it may pull back to this next support level and before we continue higher, because right now it's the volume is dying out, so it shows that the trend may be ending. Micron, we're bouncing along this trend line. We're still making higher highs. The next thing we can expect from Micron is for it to go up to at least the 66 level. Hopefully we shall see. Our next resistance though is at 62, so we got to watch out for that. Apple, we are looking like we're pushing into some resistance. The volume is not as high, but if we can get above this 192 level, then we'll be able to go back up to 190, 445. But most likely I see it returning back to the 180, 85 level. NVIDIA, maybe doing a possible head and shoulders. Most likely it'll just be returning back to the 260 level, but only time will tell. Baidu, nothing much. Baidu's just rangy, which works for some people. AMD, looks like we're consolidating up here with our new trading range being between 17 and around 15. So again, that's a $2 margin if you want to trade stock, and that's what you would look for when trading options. Now Amazon, because of Prime Day, is having all this volume here, in the anticipation of that. Looks like we're making all-time highs as well. Wait for a pullback back to the next support. GE is again continuously downtrending, and it looks like we're hitting this resistance level here. Watch for some puts on the way back down to 1274, 1250. If it breaks below, we can see a continuation downward. BAC is again trending down. Boeing is not doing much. BABA is trading range. So yeah, I hope that helped. I hope y'all found some good information from that analysis, especially SPY, because the way that SPY moves will determine how the rest of this market moves. All right, guys, I hope your trading goes well this week. Stay green and always learn.